Yo, what's up, everybody? It's your boy Daddy Easy here, just doing a fast video. There's a very critical update that needs to be done for your Legion Go 2. So this been dropped yesterday, the 23rd. I already installed it. I'm just doing the video now because I didn't have the time to actually do the video, so I'm actually doing it now as a fast update to let you guys basically know what to do. You can't download this from the Legion space. Basically you have to come to the website and download it. I do check this website probably once every day to see if there's any updates, but like I said, I already installed it. There's multiple ways to actually install this thing. You can either come right here to the website, as you can see right here, critical. You can come here and delete it manually. You can remove it whatever the way you want to do it, or you can just use PowerShell, or you can use CMD or terminal like that, command prompt administrator, and do it like that. Click on it and just move it. You can use these prompts right here. This also right here. If you don't feel comfortable doing that, you can just go to Lenovo's website right here and just download it right there and install it. This is your update. Make sure you download this thing right now. Remove it because it's a security risk. And I'm gonna catch you guys later. That's it. And I'm out. Deuces. One. Peace. And I'm out. Holla.